Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. This is on-chain mod. So based on popular demand, I have decided to create this video to show you people or some of you that have been asking me on the Telegram group how to go about the process. I'll be showing you how to deposit into this your Minipay wallet all the way from your Bybit exchange. Okay, so kindly watch this video to the end and don't forget to like and share this video to your loved ones because sharing is caring. So without further ado, let's get started. It's like any other wallet, you can use this to store your cryptocurrencies and perform your transactions. And the wallet is though still under build up, but so far a lot of things, integrations have been added into this wallet to make the usage very seamless and awesome. So in order for you to deposit your cryptocurrency into this wallet, what you have to do is this. Okay, so you have to first of all go and update the app, ensure that you are using the latest version of this Minipay wallet. Go to Play Store or Apple Store, update it to the latest version, and after updating it, you also download the Bybit exchange wallet because we are working with the Bybit exchange wallet as well together with this wallet, this Minipay wallet. Okay, so after you've updated the app, just open it and then you head over to where you see this deposit button right here. That is where you click on. Okay, you click on it and then now you can see these three signs right here. You can see this where you have this NGN using local payment method, and also you can see this wallet or exchange, and you can see this virtual bank account. Now what we are going to be concentrating at is this particular one right here where you have this wallet or exchange. That's what we are going to be tapping on. Okay, so you click on it and then now you can see here, if you read through this, you will see that they said already hold crypto in another wallet or exchange, move it to Minipay. So what we are going to be doing right here is to add it. The only way you can deposit into this wallet manually is by clicking on this manual deposit. You click on it, then it's going to require that you use a USDT. You can deposit using USDT or USDC or the USDM token. All right, any of these stable coins, you can use any of them to deposit into this wallet. All right, now ensure that as you are depositing, you are selecting the USDT that you are going to be depositing into this wallet is solely based on the Celo network. All right, now there are a lot of networks. If you've been in the crypto space for some while or you have a little crypto knowledge, you should be able to know that USDT have a lot of network that supports it. All right, just like saying Ethereum under Ethereum chain, we have the BNB network in it. We also have the Solana network in the Ethereum chain. All right, that is the same thing that applies right here under the USDT ecosystem. We have other networks in it, but right here, if you are using this Minipay wallet, Minipay mostly support the Celo chain. So whatever you are going to be doing or transacting in your Minipay wallet, always ensure that the network is on the Celo network. All right, do not do mistake for any reason to transact any USDT network or BNB USDT network into this wallet. You are going to lose that asset. Whatsoever you are transacting, like I say once again, you should always select the USDT network under the Celo chain. All right, now you can see here that they say that select Celo as the network. All right, and then select the token you want to transfer, and then you can decide to transfer this. Okay, so what we are going to be doing right here is to click this wallet address right here. head over to this section, you click on it, and then you go back to your Bybit. You go and open your Bybit. This is my Bybit. Then, all right, this is my Bybit. I am making this video from my tab, okay? All right. The same process works in Android or iPhone or whatsoever phone you're using, okay? So you click on this. This is my Bybit. All right, this is my Bybit. Let me just go back. All right, this is my Bybit, and then now you can see, if you don't have Bybit, go and install it, okay? Install it, register it, and then after registering, complete your KYC. The KYC is always right here. You can access your KYC section right here. Update the KYC by submitting your government issued ID card, and afterwards you are gonna be having full access to this Bybit. That's the beauty of updating, of completing your KYC, okay? So after you've completed your KYC on Bybit, just head over to this particular section right here where you have this asset section, okay? You click on it, and then it's going to take you to this section. Just head over to this place where you have this withdraw NuGet right here. You tap on it, all right, because we want to withdraw from this exchange. Now, before you withdraw, always ensure that you have some amount of USDT in your exchange, okay? All right, then just go ahead and click on withdraw. And while you are doing this, ensure that your network is very stable. So you click on withdrawal, and then it's going to load up this select withdrawal method right at the bottom. Now you can see here, you have three options right here: crypto withdrawal, sell for NGN, and P2P trading. So the option we are going to be using is crypto withdrawal, because we want to be withdrawing our crypto from Bybit exchange right here. So we just select this crypto withdrawal, all right? And then now it's gonna take you to this section. You can see all the various assets right here on Bybit. These are all the various assets you can see right here. Now, by default, anytime that it shows up this, you can even come, you can come to this, it can take you to this section sometimes, and you see that all these assets will be hidden. All these assets sometimes are always hidden. And in order for you to toggle all these assets right here to be displaying in your Bybit, just head over to this particular icon right here and toggle this from hide zero balances. All right, just toggle it from this hide zero balances, so that you should, the app should allow you to search for any USDT right here, because without toggling it off, without de-highlighting this hide zero balances, any token that has zero balances in this wallet is not gonna show. All right, let me show you something. Let me tap on it. Now you can see here, now that I've tapped on it, you can see here that is only these tokens that are showing. Another one is not showing, it's not going to show. And if you want to type USDT right here, because USDT, and there's no balance in USDT right here, it is not going to show. Therefore, it is not going to allow you to do what you want to do. So in order for you to be able to type your USDT right here, so that we can send through it, you need to first of all come here and de-highlight this. All right, as soon as you de-highlight it, you can see all the assets right here have shown. So what you have to do now is to come over here and type USDT right there, okay? So you type USDT right there. All right, you can see it has shown. Now you type on the first one, which is this, and then you tap on this this first one here, that's what we are going to be clicking on chain. All right, then now it's going to take you to this section. Just go over here and click on this select address, paste that address that we copied from our, and it's going to show you right here. Okay, it's going to show you this. Just come right here and paste that address that we copied from our Minipay right here. Okay, you paste it right here, and after you pasted it, you ensure that it is showing USDT. Okay, you ensure it is showing USDT and the regular wallet address. This is the regular wallet address. All right, then you come here and select the network. This part is very important. Come here and select the network right here. Now the network we are going to be selecting is Celo Network. All right, is Celo Network. Don't do mistake in this part, guys. Okay, you come here and select, tap on this Celo Network right here. All right, I hope you have seen what I'm doing. Good. Now after typing on that Celo Network, kindly ensure that this particular session is toggled onto the on-chain. All right, not the internal transfer. We are working with on-chain. All right, then after you verified your informations, you can decide to type anything you want right here or leave it blank. Okay, then afterwards, come right here and click on confirm the transaction, and then you just go ahead and paste the code that was sent to your email right here. You go head over to your email, go and copy the code that was sent and come and paste it right here. As soon as you paste that code, you come here and enter your Google Authenticator to show your security. You go and copy your 12 words Google Authenticator and come and paste here and confirm the transactions right here. As soon as you confirm the transaction, you proceed with the transfer. Your USDT is going to be transferred from your Bybit straight into your Minipay wallet, and then you can come over here and see that your balance is going to be reflecting right here, guys. Okay, so this is how to transfer. I hope this video was very helpful. If it was, kindly let me know in the comment section and if there is any other thing you don't understand, do let me know in the comment section or in the Telegram community. See you in the next video.